Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can cut your caftan. So this is the material I'm going to use for the caftan, and I will use this for the middle, just for design. So if it's what you are interested on, please click the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing. So this is the material. Is folded into four. As you can see, I folded it into four. So the length I'm working with is 55. I added 2-inch allowance for the sewing allowance. So what is here is 57. From up to down is 57. So I will pipe 2-inch for sewing allowance, and the total wideness that is here is 18 inches. As you can see, the total wideness here is 18 inches. So the neck width I'm working with is 3.5. I will chalk 3.5. And the depth of the neck, I will first of all use the back. I will chalk 1.5 for the depth of the back. I will curve it. This is the depth of the back. So I will come down to get the depth of my front. So I will come down by 4 inches. The front will carry 2 neck. One will be round and the other one will come down. So the depth of the front I'm using 4. I will also curve it. And I'll come down again. By 7. That is where the braid I will carry slits. As you can see it, I will come down this side by 1.5 inches. And the shoulder I'm working with is 8 inches, which is the back. So I will go ahead and connect it to this end. To get my armhole, I will come down by 9 inches. I come down by 9 inches. And the total wideness I need for this caftan is 14 inches. That is the total wideness I need for this caftan. I don't want it to be too big. I use 14 for the total wideness. So I will chalk my 14, go down. So I use hip measurement because hip measurement is the biggest circumference for the body I'm using. So I will curve it. So after that, I will go ahead to cut it out. I will first of all remove the neck of the back. cut out this part. It's already cut out, so I will remove the back to cut the neck of the front. I will go ahead to remove the neck of the front. I have removed the neck of the front. I will paste this. I will fold this material and I will paste the front to cut out the middle part, because I want the design to be at the middle part only. So after pasting it, I'll go ahead to cut it out. I will remove the neck also. So I have removed the neck. So I'll go ahead to cut it straight. But it depends how wideness you want yours to be. I will use the wideness. The wideness I'm going to use will be 6 inches. So I will chop the 6 inches. Reach down. So after cutting the 6 inches that I need, I will cut it out. So what will happen is that I will go and paste it to the back. I will paste it to the back. This is the back of the material. I will paste front of this to the back of this material. Sew the neck. After sewing the neck, I will turn it to the front. And sew it down. And after that, I will pipe the down part with 2 inches or 1.5 inches. I will do the same at the back. I will cut the facing of the back, sew it, and turn the down part with 2 inches. I have joined this pattern to the middle part. I have joined it, and I have sewed the down part with 2-inch allowance. I have joined the shoulder. What I will do next is that I will use this part. I will use this for the turn up. So I'm not going to pipe the armhole. I'm not going to pipe the sleeve part. I will use this for the turn up. I will sew it at the back. Now turn it to the front and sew it with this, and turn it like this. That is for the turn up. I will do the same thing in the other side with this. So after that, I will go ahead and sew the two sides with half inches. I will sew the two sides, and the down part I will leave small space for the down part. I'm not going to close the down part, so I will leave like 10 or 12 inches for the down. When I sew the side, I will measure 12 from the down, 12, so that place will be open. So from up, when I get to where I chalk, that is where I will end. I will now pipe these two sides and the other part of the other side of the dress. I have drew my turn up. As you can see, this is the turn up of the sleeve. This is the turn up, and this is the second sleeve. The gown is very simple to make. It's already ready, but I want to attach pocket, which is outside pocket, on the gown, and this is what I will use. I want this to be the pocket, which is outside pocket. The length that is here is 13 and a half, and the width, which is the wideness of the pocket, is 8. It's folded by 2. This is for one side, and this one is for the second side. I will just pipe the up. I will pipe the up by 1.5 or probably 2 inches. I will pipe it with 2 inches before I will attach it. When I pipe it by 2, I will attach it by the side like this. I will attach it by the side, depending where you want your own to start, but I will measure my half length. That is where I will attach it, where the sewing will start from. As you can see it, if I sew the 2 inches, I will just use pin to hold it and pipe this side and sew. That will be all, and the gown will be ready. Thank you all very much for watching, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you.